Hi guys, I'm Jess and I'm here today with my sister Jenalyn, who's in charge of the background music, and we're going to do an unboxing video of BTS's Love Yourself tier. Now this is actually our first ever unboxing video, so please do bear with us. So okay, so we got here all four versions of this album. That's Y, O, U, and R. And as you can see, I actually bought like another set, and we'll be opening that later to see which photo cards we got. And I got these hand creams as freebies. Okay, so let's start with the Y version first. Okay? Good. Let's set this aside for a while. Okay, so this is the Y version. So in front we have Love Yourself, then Tiger. On the sides we got the BTS logo, Love Yourself, and Y version. And at the back, again with the BTS logo, and we got the sticker here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have the notes. We'll probably like read this later. And we got the CD. Okay. So usually we like watch unboxing videos as soon as the albums are released in Korea, but since we decided to like make our own unboxing video for this album, we really restrained ourselves from watching any. So, okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is a Big Hit membership survey. Okay, it's like my first time getting this. I don't know what. Okay. And as usual, the Big Hit edition flyer. Okay. Okay. Don't want this video to be long, so I'll just be very fast and like, okay. Lost control. Okay. That's Jungkook. Yoongi! Oh, okay. Innocent, guilty. Oh my gosh! And this is the standing photo. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I thought it would be more like the one in You Never Walk Alone. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. So, yeah. Jimin! Okay, so, what am I guess? What does Jimin's shirt say? Okay, it's I. Okay, what am I? Okay. Just very, very quick. Just scan through the photos. Okay. Cookie. Okay. Holy. Fine. Oh, I didn't notice what. Oh. Okay, never mind. You look so beautiful here. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got sugar. Okay. Well, I'm glad I got him. Sugar. Okay. Jimin. Regret. Okay, it's Jin. It's so blue. Okay, Namjoon. Oh, okay. So now we got the track list here, followed by the lyrics, as usual. And I believe we have the thanks to as well. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. We'll be moving on with the O version. So here we have the O version, and it's technically like the same logos all around like the album. So we'll be focusing more on the photo books. Okay. So here we have the notes, and of course the CD. Okay. Okay, photo book. So excited. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I thought it would be like a different image for like the standing photos, but I guess they're all the same. So, okay. With Hyung Line. Oh, except Hobby. Oh, okay. There's Hobby. Okay. Jimin! Okay, it's Jimin. Okay. Okay. That lip piercing though. Ooh, I didn't know there will be like picture that's like colored here. I thought everything would be in black and white. Yoongi. Look at this tree. It's so cute. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, first, the survey card. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we actually got one of these. God. Okay, wait. I don't know what to say. Okay. So this is like actually the reason why I got another set, because I really want to have one of these. And here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo! And I got Jimin. Oh my gosh. By now, I guess you guys know who my biases are. And oh my gosh, I got Suga a while ago, and then I got Jimin right now. So oh my gosh. And again with the flyer. Okay, we'll just continue. Oh, cookie. Okay. Just very quick. I really like the ones that are like has the color. So pretty. Okay, sorry. Okay, stop staring at me. Okay, that's it. Okay, comes in. Okay, so we got the track list again, the lyrics, and the things too. So, yes. And we go with the U version. So, let's go get the photo book. Okay. Sorry. So we have the notes again, and of course, CD. Yeah. Okay. cute. Oh, Yumian. Okay. Just love it when he has this expression. Okay. I'll make this fast. Okay. V. V. Oh my. Okay, Cookie. Cookie again. Kobe. Jimin. Okay, it's Jimin's turn. What? Okay. Jimin. Okay, so the survey card and the flyer again. Oh, where's the photo card? Okay. Okay, then. Okay. We got V. Just sleeping V. So cute. Okay, and again with the standing photo. There's Namjoon. Okay, so that's it for the version. So we'll head straight to the R version. So I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm trying my best to be very fast right now. Okay. Yeah, so notes plus the CD. Okay. Oh, okay. Standing photo. Okay. When they released the teaser images, I was really like shocked with Jimin's teaser for this version. I mean, you guys know why. Okay. Yumin! OMG! Okay. Okay. Sorry, such a Yunmin trash. Namjoon. Okay. So the survey card, and I got V. So cute. Okay. And the flyer, as usual. Okay. Yoongi. Okay. Cute. Oh my gosh. Are those tears? What? Why is he crying? Okay. Looks so sad. Jimin. Okay. Okay, I really like this photo. Wait, is he like purposely doing this? Like, is he pulling his shirt at the back? Like, okay, I'm not complaining. I like it. Okay, moving on. I'm sorry. Okay, it's Jin. Oh, look at Namjoon's nose. It's so red. Oh. Oh, I seriously want to be the one hugging him right now. Oh, okay. So that's the end of like the R version. So I guess we can now go through with the other set. So we'll open this just to see the photo cards. So I guess we'll start with the Y version. So just look for the photo card. Okay. Oh wait. Oh. Oh. Okay. And I got Yoongi again. I got Yoongi a while ago for the Y version. I was hoping for another member, but it's Yoongi, so not complaining. Okay, so for the O version, oh. Okay, this photo card. Oh, okay. Yoongi! Oh my gosh, I got Yoongi again. Okay, a while ago I got Jimin for the O version, and now it's Yoongi, so it's Jimin. Okay. Next will be the U version. Ah. Ah. Okay. Oh. Oh. Wait, where's photo card? Oh my gosh, where's my photo card? Oh, okay. Oh, I got B again. Okay. And now last for the R version. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sorry, I'm trying to be fast, but I'm such a mess. Oh, okay. Oh, I got V again. That's okay, I guess. But okay. So, uh, just like put everything here, I guess. Okay, so for the Y version, I got Yoongi for both sets. And then for the O version, again, it's Yunmin. Okay. And then for the U version, it's V for both, and also for, what do you call this? The R version, it's V. And this, oh my gosh, I can't believe I actually got one of it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's like hologram or something. It has this effect. Okay, so I guess that concludes our unboxing video for today. So